Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how you can link card to your PayPal. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to link card on your PayPal, all you need to do is simply tap on your PayPal account, and once you do so, you will end up in this page where you need to tap on the wallet option. After you tap on wallet, you will end up having this page. So tap on the plus sign and then tap on debit and credit card. Now you can scan your card or enter your card information manually. If you choose to enter it manually, you need to type in your password as well and get logged in into your account again. Now type in your card number, the expiration date of your card number, and your CVV. After you do this, you have to tap on the link card option. So once every credential is successfully filled in and you have tapped on the link card option, you will be then redirected to the next page and the final process to link your card on PayPal. So once you reach in this page, you need to now choose the card network, and after doing that, you need to simply tap on the link card option. Once you do this, your card will be linked on your PayPal. Hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos. Thank you for watching.